everyone, and welcome to another Stay in Touch video. My name's Christine, and what I'd like to show you today is how to configure suite rooms and then use those suites and assign them to a group block. So let's get started. So to get started, you'll want to start from the dashboard page, choose Settings, and then Settings again. Now what we need to do is proceed to Reservations and choose Reservation Settings. Scroll down just a little bit to locate the Suite Rooms toggle. This is what your suite room will look like when it is set to on. It will be right facing and display in green. However, for most of you, if you haven't set up suite rooms yet, it will be left in gray. I actually cannot physically turn off suite rooms. To turn off, you would normally click the toggle, because I already have suite rooms configured in my property. And this is a nice little safeguard that'll prevent any users from accidentally turning off suite rooms for your hotel. Maybe they're not sure what this setting does, but just rest assured that once you have this toggle on and you've created suite rooms in your property, this will not be able to be turned off and your suite room settings will be saved. So I'm going to leave that on and simply scroll down to save changes. Next, I need to start setting up my rooms. You're going to begin under room types for this section, and you're going to choose Add New. What I need to do next is assign a name to my room type, and I'm going to name this Christine's Suite. And I'm just going to name this Chris Suite for my code. As you can see, these have the required asterisk, letting you know that you do need to include this information. And then secondly, what I need to do is check this room is a suite box. What that is going to do is reveal the other room types available for you to begin building out your suite room. Now for my example, I'm keeping it easy for myself. I've actually already configured 2 rooms with room numbers that I know I want those to be my suite. I also know that I only have 2 room types available for each of these. So if I were to attempt to enter a 5 here, Rover is going to automatically set this to a 2 because the system knows that I actually physically do not have more room types created in the system. So that's going to prevent any, again, user error from occurring. However, I could make it less than 2, of course, if that's what I wanted to do. But for this example, I'm going to set it to 2. And I did the exact same for my secondary room, 00B. So again, any number higher than what I actually have physically created, Rover is going to reset it to the highest available number. And then if I wanted to, I could also make it less, but I'm going to keep it at 2. With that information here, you can go ahead and save your changes. So for my room types, I now have my Christine Suite set up with the code Chris Suite. Now what I need to do is proceed to Rooms, where I'm actually going to create a room number for this room. So I'm going to assume that that is going to be my room number. I can add features or likes to this page if I want. I could select a floor, but what I'm going to jump right ahead and do is select a room type. And as you can see, this is where we just created Christine Suite. This is my suite, and this is my room number. And as you can see, now those 2 room types appear for selection below, as well as the total number of rooms I have available per what I set up under the room type screen. Now, this is another part you'll want to pay a little bit of attention to. We have the room numbers section here, and that's blank. However, as I choose this drop-down menu and begin assigning rooms, those will begin to fill out under the room numbers. And all I'm doing is telling Rover that yes, room type 00A is a part of this suite. The suite's name is 1991, and the room numbers that I'm associating with that are all these room numbers. So these 4 rooms create my suite. And then lastly, I need to save changes. Now let's get started setting up a group block. As always, you need to assign a group name to the block. Fill out the important details. Choose your stay dates. I'll set this for the 21st to the 24th. My release date can be tomorrow. This is a definite status, and I'm going to specify a custom rate for this since I haven't already set up a group rate. And as you can see, this is all similar to what we've done before when creating a brand new group. Just choose Save Group and proceed to Room Block Details to assign your rooms and rates. Choose Save. With my suite appearing here, I can choose Save, and then I can proceed to my rooming list. Create a reservation. Include any accompanying guests. Maybe I know his whole family's coming. And then assign a room, which is at my suite room. And now we can see from the stay card that this room is associated with my reservation, and it's not possible for me to assign any incoming reservations to this, to either any of the room types associated with either these rooms, no availability, and no availability, which is exactly what we'd want for this group block that is due to arrive today, and we blocked off that suite for them. So I hope you all find this helpful. That's a quick and dirty overview of the group suite functionality that we've released. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to submit a support ticket. Thanks so much for watching, and looking forward to helping you in the future. Have a good one.